Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Ishtiyaq Hassan. I am from group GMM10. Now we will discuss about the drug affecting on endocrine system. The endocrine system is a messenger system comprising the feedback loop of hormones released by the internal gland of an organism directly into the circulatory system, regulating distant target organs in vertebrates. The hypothalamus is the neural control center of all endocrine system. In humans, the major endocrine glands are the thyroid glands and the adrenal glands. The study of the endocrine system and its disorder is known as the endocrinology. Endocrinology is the branch of internal medicine. Name Meglitinides. Nate glycinide is an oral in diabetic agent that, when used in combination with metformin or rasoglitazone or type 2 diabetic, has been shown the effective in reducing HbA1c glycated hemoglobin relative to the metformin or rosiglitazone. Internal doses: tablet 60 milligram 120 milligram, parental doses non, half life 1.4 hour. Name thiazolidinose, rosiglitazone or pioglitazone. Internal doses: tablet 2 milligram 4 milligram, tablet 15 milligram 30 milligram 45 milligram. Parental dose non, half life 3 to 4 hour or 3 to 7 hour. TZDs exert their anti-diabetic effect through the mechanism that involve activation in the gamma isoform and the peroxisome proliferator active receptor PPAR gamma and nuclear receptor. TZDs reduce insulin resistance in adipose tissue, muscle and the liver. Name dipeptidal peptidase 4 inhibitors. Algoliptin, tablet 6, internal dose tablet 6.2 25 milligram, 12.5 milligram, 25 milligram. Parental dose non, half life 12.5 to 21 hour. Linagliptin, tablet 5 milligram, 180 hour. The mechanism of DP4 inhibitor to increase the incretin level glucagon like peptide 1 GLP1 and the glucose dependent insulinotropic peptide GIP, which inhibit glucagon release, which is in turn increase insulin secretion, decrease gastric emptying and decrease blood glucose level. Diabetic insipidus. Diabetic insipidus is characterized by the extreme thirst and the passing of large amount of urine. It is caused by the lack of sufficient vasopressin in the hormone produced by the brain and instruct the kidney of retain water. A treatment option include the vasopressin in replacement. The symptoms of diabetes insipidus include extreme thirst that can be quenched, polydipsia, excessive amount of urine, polyuria, colorless urine instead of pale yellow, walking frequently through the night to the urinate, dry skin, constipation, weak muscle, bedwetting. Name its drugs. Name vasopressin, brand name Vasostrin pytresin, used to the manage antidiuretic hormone deficiency. It has off-label use and is used in the treatment of gastrointestinal bleeding, ventricular tachycardia and the ventricular defibrillation. Vasopressin is used to treat diabetes insipid. Diabetes insipid come from the Latin language insipid tasteless, related to the low level of antidiuretic hormone DDAVP. A nasal spray desopressin actate is a synthetic analog of the naturally pituitary hormone 8 arginine. Vasopressin ADH, an antidiuretic hormone, affect renal water conservation. Diabetic insipidus. Internal doses DDAVP international spray estimate. Our parental doses of vasopressin is 20 unit per ml intravenous solution and half life is 10-20 minutes. Thank you so much. for your attention.